Please like and subscribe to this video because I just do painful is on uni. I do rude my ears just for a game. So many people I was having voice chat to them. So guys, this is what happened. Every day I logged into Unicap. I logged in Unicap and every day I logged in, I go into a game day. Every people had voice chat on. Just have so many voice chat. So my sus is not good. My ears was hurting right now. I did so. My ears was hurting again. My ears was so guys. This is the end of the video. Just showed something to you. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this thing. I'm gonna delete Unicap.